Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
We are at Disney's Riviera Resort today and we are going to take a look around the 3-bedroom grand villa. This villa is fabulous, you guys. It would be amazing for a party. I'm so excited to show you guys this huge villa. So stay tuned and take a look around the 3-bedroom grand villa with us. So this is the 3-bedroom grand villa. It's this whole hallway behind this wall.
Yeah, so it has 2 entrances.
2 entrances.
Along with the doorbell.
And your own private doorbell.
Okay, we're gonna come in. If it's okay, we're gonna start with
Your own private doorbell, yes. Come right into, there's like a foyer here.
welcome home.
Yes. Okay. Look at that view. Okay, what are you gonna show us? I'm getting ahead of you. I'm so excited, I'm just running around.
This is the master suite. Okay. Excellent view here. On this side here, you have the lake and then also Caribbean Beach on the back side. And from this side here, you have the 2 pools. You also notice at the top of that tower there, the Topolino's Terrace restaurant on the top view. As well as the landing to the far right there.
What a view.
Yeah, excellent.
And that's Topolino's Terrace on the top floor as he set up there. There's a TV, and this is the master bedroom?
Yes, this will be the master suite. Probably my favorite part of this particular room would be the bathroom.
And the hidden Mickeys. The hidden Mickeys in the railing. The Skyliner in the distance there to take people to Hollywood Studios and Epcot.
Love that shower. You can see why I said
I like the closet. Even your own closet in the master bedroom. You're literally your home away from home here. This is only 1 bedroom in this suite. This could be like its own room by itself here. The bathroom's huge. I can picture being in this tub after a long day in the parks. And there's the little aerators in the bottom for the bubbles. And I love the H2O products. Dual vanity. Place for makeup. So, oh my gosh, the shower is huge. But here's the toilet room. Let's look at the shower. You could have a whole party in here. All right. We got to get out of the master bedroom and see the rest. And we come out into a hallway here. And see the dining room. And there are chairs for 10 in the dining room. Oh my goodness. I like the artwork on the walls even. It's kind of, is that stenciled on?
and also hidden Mickeys as well.
Oh yeah, I see the hidden Mickey right there.
So these I have the full size versus the stack.
Wow. Super Bowl party. Is this booked for the Super Bowl?
Just saying, that would be awesome. You have any plans?
I should be how that is over there.
I am now. Are you?
Yeah.
So you're gonna come to my Super Bowl party in this room?
Small chairs on this side, and then captain chairs on the other side.
Okay, so the islands for 4 and the dishwasher, all the cabinets, soap, paper towels, everything you need. Look at the stove and an oven. I think that might be nicer than what I have in my house. And you can see all the dishes in the cabinets, and those are really to use. They are not glued down for props.
Absolutely. No props. Fully usable.
And the refrigerator. Curious, does it have an ice maker? No, but you could buy ice. Oh, wait, is there an ice maker? There is an ice maker. This is beautiful. I love the floors and everything. I'm being nosy.
It's fine. Very small closet there. This one here will also have a pocket door to the bathroom. So it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. A lovely mirror. The light behind it.
I like the backlit mirrors. This is a big bathroom. And a shower. Oh, and the bathtub for littles. And the soaps. Hey, okay, I got this now. I can do the pocket door. Ah, okay. Very cool. And so this is a bedroom that sleeps 4 then.
And this one also has the bathroom inside.
There's the makeup, a little makeup vanity. Oh, and another pocket door. Towel hooks. Wow. So one family could potentially use this room to themselves. I'm kind of trying to get everybody through so we can see it all. I could spend a day here, but people have better things to do than let me video the room. And there's another TV in here. Is this a private balcony or does it connect? Okay. Oh, I like the picture, like from The Little Mermaid. The artwork. Now this room is the same as the other, but doesn't have the bathroom, right?
Correct. So the bathroom for this room here, we use more like the common bathroom.
Oh, yeah, the hallway. But it does have its own closet. And it has hidden Mickeys. And this room shares a balcony with the living room and the other rooms. So bring your friends, bring your family, stay in this grand villa at Disney's Riviera Resort, throw a party, enjoy the parks, cook a meal, and you can, I think it would be fun, you can hire a chef to come in and cook a meal for you in this grand kitchen here. Oh, and washer and dryer. Sorry guys. There's the washer and dryer, and when we take a right, we've come full circle back here into the foyer area. And you can see the little door there on the right goes into the master suite. Into the dining room here, and the master suite here, which I love so much and I want to come live in. What a privilege it was to be able to see this 3-bedroom grand villa. I love everything about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
Make sure to turn on post notifications to get updated whenever we post awesome new videos just like this one.
Hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date. If you would like complimentary planning assistance for your next Walt Disney World vacation based on hours of personal experience and professional training, look me up. My name is Melissa. My website is pixiedustadventures.com, and it all starts with a free quote. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.